Welcome to Offbeat Wanderlust, your go-to travel channel where we uncover the world's most amazing cities. Today, we're heading to the vibrant and bustling city of Bangkok. From iconic markets to hidden gems, we're about to dive deep into what makes this city unforgettable. And make sure to stick around for number 10 because, trust me, you don't want to miss this crucial tip. It could totally change the way you experience Bangkok. Let's dive in. Number 1. Chatuchak Weekend Market. We're starting with a true Bangkok classic, Chatuchak Weekend Market. This isn't just a market, it's an experience. With over 15,000 stalls, it's the largest market in Thailand. You'll find everything from quirky souvenirs and vintage clothing to handcrafted goods and, yes, even puppies. Hungry? There are countless food vendors offering Thai snacks like mango sticky rice and spicy papaya salad. Just a quick tip, bring water and comfortable shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Also, practice your haggling skills. It's all part of the fun. Quick reminder, fellow wanderlusters, if you're ready to dive deeper into these offbeat adventures, check out the links in the description below for more info. And if you're loving this kind of content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on future travel tips and adventures. Got any thoughts or your own Bangkok experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Number 2. Damnoen Saduak and Maeklong railway markets. Next up, 2 markets in 1. First, Damnoen Saduak, Bangkok's famous floating market. Picture long-tail boats overflowing with fresh fruit, snacks, and handmade items. It's postcard perfect. After that, hop over to Maeklong Railway Market, where the train literally runs through the market. Vendors move their goods in seconds as the train passes, and then, like magic, it's back to business. It's such a quirky scene that you'll feel like you're in a movie. Get your cameras ready. This is one of those, "Did I really just see that?" moments. Number 3. Lumpini Park. Need a break from the hustle and bustle? Head to Lumpini Park, Bangkok's green escape. This park is a peaceful paradise amid all the chaos, offering a perfect spot to relax or enjoy a morning jog. You can even rent a paddle boat to cruise around the lake, or, if you're lucky, spot some of the park's famous monitor lizards. Yes, they're huge, but don't worry, they're harmless. And did I mention it's free? A perfect way to soak in Bangkok's nature without spending a baht. Number 4. Backstreets and Hidden Gems Bike Tour. For those looking to stray off the beaten path, try a Backstreets and Hidden Gems Bike Tour. You'll pedal through alleyways, local neighborhoods, and temples most tourists never get to see. This isn't your typical touristy stuff. This is Bangkok at its most authentic. Plus, it's a great way to burn off all those pad thais and Thai iced teas. Just be sure you're ready to navigate the bustling traffic. Bangkok drivers keep you on your toes. It's an adrenaline-pumping ride with amazing rewards. Number 5. Thai massage or foot massage. After all that exploring, treat yourself to a traditional Thai massage. You haven't truly experienced Bangkok until you've been twisted, pulled, and stretched in ways you never thought possible. If you're not quite up for the full-body treatment, a foot massage is the perfect compromise. They're affordable and absolutely heavenly after a day of walking. Pro tip, even in fancy spas, massages here are way cheaper than back home, so go ahead and indulge. Your feet will thank you. Number 6. Opulent Chao Phraya Dinner Cruise. Ready for a taste of luxury? Hop on the Chao Phraya Dinner Cruise. you'll glide along Bangkok's iconic river, soaking in dazzling views of lit-up temples like Wat Arun and the Grand Palace. The best part? A delicious buffet of Thai delicacies and international favorites awaits. Whether you're in the mood for spicy curries, fresh seafood, or tropical fruit, there's something for every palate. The vibe is relaxed, but the scenery? Absolutely stunning. Perfect for a romantic evening or just living your best life. Treat yourself. You're in Bangkok after all. Number 7. 5 street foods. You must try. You can't visit Bangkok without diving headfirst into the street food scene. It's legendary. Start with pad thai, the classic noodle dish you probably already love. Then move on to som tam, which is spicy papaya salad, for a kick of flavor. Feeling adventurous? Try mu ping, grilled pork skewers that are smoky, savory, and addicting. Don't forget mango sticky rice, a dessert that balances sweetness with coconut perfection. And finally, grab some roti, which are Thai-style pancakes, for a sweet treat. Your taste buds will thank you, but your diet might not. Number 8. Tingly Thai Cooking School. Half-day class. Why just eat Thai food when you can learn to cook it too? A half-day at the Tingly Thai Cooking School is not only fun, but also educational. You'll master the art of making authentic Thai dishes like green curry, pad thai, and tom yum soup, all from scratch. The chefs are friendly, and the atmosphere is laid back, making it perfect for travelers of all skill levels. And guess what? You get to eat everything you cook. By the end, you'll have bragging rights and the know-how to impress at your next dinner party. Number 9. Jim Thompson House. For a dose of history and mystery, visit the Jim Thompson House. This beautifully preserved traditional Thai house once belonged to Jim Thompson, an American businessman who mysteriously disappeared in Malaysia. While you're admiring the gorgeous architecture and lush gardens, you'll also learn about the Thai silk industry and Thompson's fascinating life. It's a mix of culture, intrigue, and art, all wrapped up in a serene setting. Plus, the house itself is like a living museum, a peaceful escape from Bangkok's hustle while being smack in the middle of the city. Number 10. Getting around Bangkok. Navigating Bangkok can seem tricky, but it's easier than you think once you know a few tips. First up, taxis. They're everywhere, but make sure the driver uses the meter. If they try to set a flat fare, politely insist on the meter or hop out and grab another one. For apps like Uber or Grab, check the pickup point carefully because some areas can be confusing, especially at malls and markets. The BTS Skytrain and MRT subway? Lifesavers. They're cheap, efficient, and a great way to avoid traffic. Get a rabbit card for easy payments. It works on both systems. Oh, and skip tuk-tuks for long rides. They're fun for short trips, but drivers sometimes overcharge tourists. Stick to these tips, and getting around Bangkok will be a breeze. That wraps up our whirlwind tour of Bangkok. Whether you're here for the food, the sights, or just to soak up the vibe, this city has something for everyone. If you found this video helpful or just had a good time watching, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more adventures with Offbeat Wanderlust. And hey, remember that epic tip we teased earlier? Use it wisely and your trip will be way smoother. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Safe travels!